Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to quickly show you these two covers. What are these two covers? So that one is for one of those really nice rolling carts. I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. And this one is for sure for one of those Royal Gourmet charcoal grills with a chimney. So what I did is I couldn't find anything specific for this two. Let me actually show you this one. Right here, I have this really nice charcoal grill. As you can see right here, this is my Royal Gourmet charcoal grill right here. It's a really nice one. I like it. But as you can see, due to the orientation of the actual grill and the chimney, it's not easy to find a cover. So this one right here is kind of like 45 inches by 44 inches. And it's a car grill, actually, char grill. But what I did is I actually swoop it, like flip it to the other side because of the chimney right here. And it was actually pretty good. It actually works really good and cover the entire grill for sure and some more, because that's the only one that I was actually able to find that is like, again, 45 by 44 inches. And with this one right here is even easier, because this one for this rolling car, which is actually another Royal Gourmet rolling car, you can see that this one actually is kind of like 37 by 34. So it actually covers the entireness of this rolling car. Both of these are waterproof, and both of these comes with straps, so that's actually really good, so you can actually secure them. Let me actually do this super quick. So as I was saying before, this one comes with the straps right here, super easy to use. This one actually comes with a Velcro on the side, which works the same way. So this is the other strap right here, and once that these are done, you are all set. These are both secure, both ready for being outside. These are weatherproof, waterproof, everything. And for sure, I couldn't find anything like specific for these shoe brands, so I picked this shoe and it worked really good. So if you have any of those or both Royal Gourmet grill right here, the charcoal grill, and the rolling car, you can get these two covers that's gonna work perfectly. So I like them. I do recommend them. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.